Assalamualaikum Tun. Selamat pagi.
Hari ini kita cuma adakan case management untuk menentukan perbicaraan akan diadakan pada satu masa. Dan saya nak kalau boleh secepat mungkin lah. Saya ni kes ini dah lama. Sebenarnya Datuk Seri Anwar minta 2 minggu tangguh. Dan saya bagi 2 minggu. Tapi lah ni dah 2 tahun. Dan kita tak dapat nak adakan perbicaraan sekarang ini. Perbicaraan akan diadakan pada bulan Oktober 21 sehingga 29.
21, 23, 29 Oktober.
21, 23, 29 di Oktober. Saya tak ada masalah. Tapi kalau boleh tu saya nak percepatkanlah. Pasal saya menanti-nanti saya ada umur lebih. The fact is that at the last minute there was a change in the judge. The previous judge was transferred elsewhere, and the present judge who will be hearing the case is new to the case. So I suppose the present judge would need time for him to study the case. Whatever may be the result of the action taken, my case will still go on. Because he said it when he was Prime Minister.
Okay.
At that time he believed he was Prime Minister, and he said this fitna against me. So I think I have to clear my name. I have read about Anwar's pardon. It would seem that there is some doubts. So I suppose that will have to be decided. If it is found that he was not eligible, then of course he would have to step down and not be Prime Minister. But as I said, whether he's Prime Minister or not, my case goes on. I think this is a government that is being criticized by everyone. I think people are suffering, and they apparently want a change in the government. Of course, in some countries, even if you have a tea party at the wrong time, you have to resign. That's what happened to Boris Johnson. But here, even if people throw dirt into your face, you still smile. Well, people feel hurt. I mean, we have been independent for more than 60 years, by which time people should know the flag. You should not make any mistakes about that. I think many people feel very hurt that the flag should be flown upside down.